Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox my Sugarbox for the month of October. I know October has ended almost, like it's 29th of October today and I still haven't got time to film this video. And if you want to know the reason, you have to watch exact previous video. Like इसके पहले का जो एक इसके exact पहले का video है वो देख लो, तो will know why I have been so busy these days. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with this unboxing. Before we start, I want to apologize for the background noises you might hear, like some children are playing outside and my family is also discussing some important things. So I cannot ask anybody to shut at this point because yeah, it's not their fault that I'm making YouTube videos. So please bear with me. So yeah, this is how the box of October looks like Sugar Box of October looked like, and I have to just open this ribbon and then we'll dive into the box directly. Okay, all right, so let's just open the box. I've opened the box and if you can see, we have all the products over here. All right guys, so the first thing I see here is this glass jar. It just says quality refreshing ice cold drink glassware. Yeah, that's all it says. And this is how the mug looks like. It doesn't have a straw holder like if you have seen you might have seen so many bottles like this जिसके ऊपर यहाँ पे hole होता है जिसके अंदर से you can pass the straw easily. And some people also like provide you with the straws as well, but I don't know if I've got the defective product or what, because see, when I open this, the thing over here just stays like this only, like it sticks to the jar. I don't know if this is how it is supposed to be or what. I really don't know, or if I am mistaken, or is it just like a coaster or just the lid or something. I really don't know, but yeah, this is how my jar looks like. We'll have to figure it out and see if this one is defective one or what. But I absolutely love this ombre effect going on here, like this have this blue color and then it vanishes into the white color like that. So yeah, this is how the first bottle looks like, and we have this watermelon thingy at the lid as well. So that's the first thing in here. Now the next thing I see here is OOTO. I don't know how to, like, are we supposed to pronounce it as O2 or I don't know, but it's from the brand called OOTO and it's their Cellular facial anti-acne sheet mask. And yeah, the packaging looks bomb. Okay, it says it's anti-acne detox, and yeah, then we have something written in some other language which I cannot understand. It says de bamboo, which means it must have the bamboo extract. So yeah, this is how the sheet mask looks like. It's so like funny and funky, right? Not funny, it's too funky. And how much this retails for, they never give you the MRP of any product. Okay, yeah, so it just has the ingredient list and the direction to use and everything over here. So this is the second thing we have in this month's Sugar Box. Now the third thing I see here is this chai ka platform chai, and it's in lemon flavor. It's instant tea premix, and I don't drink tea, so we'll have to give this to somebody who drinks it. But yeah, nice thing to have. Yeah, it just says tea premix and nothing else. So this is how the tea premix looks like. I think this is one-time use. You have to use the entire sachet for the one-time use. So this is the second thing we have. Next thing we have in this month's Sugar Box. Now the next things are these Crunchies in different color. Like we have one in this floral yellow color, and another one is in this white color which has red polka dot and stuff like that. So yeah, Crunchies are always nice to have because it comes very handy to just tie your bun, or if you want to tie a pony or anything, you can easily use this Crunchies. So yeah, and also these are very good quality. The rubber is not too hard or not too soft, so it's a good quality Crunchies. Now the third last thing I see here is this roll-on thing. Like this is a roller, but I'm just assuming you are supposed to keep this thing in the freezer. They haven't provided any instruction manual for this one, so I'm just assuming that you can put this thing in the freezer and ये पूरा ठंडा हो जाएगा, and then you can just adjust this over here. Like you have to put this back on the roller, and then you can just massage your face with this, so it will give you the ice massage wali feeling. So yeah, very good thing to have, and I really wanted something like this because I anyway rub my eyes every time. Like I try to do it every day, but sometimes I also skip it, so I do rub eyes on my face almost every day. So this is a great thing to have, and let's see how that works. So I'm very excited to use this one as well. So this is how the roller looks like, and it's in very pretty pink and golden color. So that's how the roller looks like. It has a gel inside as well. I can see, I cannot show this to your camera properly, but I can see this from here, like it has something like gel inside, so that will get iced or cold in the freezer. Now the second last thing here is this candle. I haven't opened this yet, but I can tell that it is a candle and smells so good. It smells very holy, if you know what I mean. It smells very holy. I really love the fragrance, and this is how its shape looks like. I don't know if you can see this properly, but it has this thing, and then you have the wick over here, so you just have to burn this and it will start to smell very good. So I think I'll try this tonight itself. So this is the second last thing in this month's sugar box. Now the final thing we have here is again a handbag. So let's open this and show this to you as well. So this is how the bag looks like. It's in this transparent PU material, and it has this two color, green and yellow, like lemon yellow and sort of a green color over here. And you have to open this from here. Wait, yeah, you just have to open this from here, and that's how the bag looks like. It also comes with a longer strap, so if you want to use this as a sling bag, you can easily use this, or if you just want to use it like this, that is also okay. I think this kind of bag looks cute only if you use this as a handbag and you just carry it in your hand. So yeah, that's so. Wait, where do I attach these things though? Where do I attach this thing? Where am I supposed to attach this? I'll have to figure a way out. So I will figure that out later on. So this is how the bag looks like. In love with this bag, clearly. Really good quality and good material and good looking cute bag. So yeah, that was all. Like the entire box is emptied now. So that was all in this month's sugar box. Please wait for my next videos as well, because next month also I'm going to unbox the same. Whenever I receive or whenever I get time to unbox the sugar box, I will definitely make that for you guys. So you can check out my previous month's sugar box unboxing in my description box below. I will link the playlist in description box below, so you can just check it out if you haven't already. So yeah, that is all. Thank you so much guys for watching. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.